Hello everyone, welcome to my math teacher. In this video, I am going to solve question number 1 from the exercise 1.5. This is for class 9 students from NCERT syllabus. The chapter is number systems. The first subdivision is 2 minus root 5. 2 is a rational number whereas root 5 is an irrational number. Now we have to find 2 minus root 5. So rational minus irrational. From the real number chart, let us look for the irrational numbers. We know that root 2, root 3, root 5. So here let us consider this number root 5 is equal to 2.23606. It keeps on. It is non-terminating and non-repeating. So if you are adding one number which is 2, as we know 2 is a rational number, what will be the answer? So when you add this, it will be 4.23606. It keeps on like this. So in case, instead of adding, if you are subtracting, what will be the answer? It will be 0.23606. It keeps on. So when we add or subtract any rational number with the irrational number, the final outcome will be, as you can clearly say, it is an irrational number. So this is the concept which, this is the logic which we are going to apply in solving the questions. We can say 2 is a rational number, whereas root 5 is an irrational number. Therefore, 2 minus root 5 will be an irrational number. So we know that 2 minus root 5, when you subtract rational minus the irrational, the final outcome of 2 minus root 5 will be non-terminating and non-repeating. So it will be an irrational number. Now subdivision number 2. Now this is the second subdivision, 3 plus square root of 23 minus square root of 23. Now let us first remove the bracket, which is equal to 3 plus root 23 minus root 23. So we can say positive root 23 minus negative, the same number will become 0, which is equal to 3. 3 can be expressed in P by Q form. So when we do the operation, the final outcome is 3, which is a rational number. Now the third subdivision, 2 root 7 divided by 7 root 7. So 2 root 7, 2 into root 7 divided by 7 into root 7. So if it is product, we can divide this. So it will be 1. When we divide this, finally we will have only 2 divided by 7. 2 divided by 7 is expressed in P by Q form, which is a rational number. Now fourth one is 1 by root 2. So we know that 1 is a rational number whereas root 2 is an irrational number. So let us write . So when you divide 1 by square root of 2, the final answer will be non-terminating and non-repeating. So the final outcome will be an irrational number. So therefore, the last subdivision, that is 2 pi. So we know that 2 is a rational number whereas pi is irrational number. So we can say that we know that pi is equal to 3.14159. It goes on. So when you multiply this number by 2, the final outcome will be again non-terminating and non-repeating, which is value of 2 pi will be irrational number. So it's a non-zero rational number. When you multiply with irrational, the answer will be irrational only. So hope you must have understood this question which I have solved today. See you in the next video. Until then, take care. Bye. Keep practicing.